Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to convert graphics into features in ArcMap. This skill is essential for incorporating your hand-drawn elements into your GIS project and making them more interactive and informative. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have ArcMap installed on your computer. You don't need to be an expert in GIS, but a basic understanding of ArcMap's interface and working with future layer will be helpful. First, let's create some graphics on our map. We'll use the draw toolbar. The this is We will use the draw toolbar to draw point, lines, and polygons. Keep in mind that these graphics are stored in the map document, but they are not part of any feature or shapefile. So first to do this, you um, check on draw draw tool. So here you can see that I can check this. So this is here drawing. So making polygon feature and polygon line point. You simply click here and draw down box open, and here you can see that there is the rectangle, polygon, circle, ellipse, line, curve, or freehand, or marker, or point tool. So first we create polygons. So uh, creating polygons, select on this polygon. So making this is ocean water. So first we create polygon on this. So first we zoom in, better understanding. So click on this polygon icon, and then click on where you create this feature. So here I can create this. Click and click, click. Then here you. So I draw this using draw tool, and okay. So here you see this mm, um, so here you see this graphics create, and now we will convert this graphic into feature. So go to the window. So for this you click on drawing and here drop down box open, and here you can go to convert graphics to feature. Here you see first convert polygon graphics, selected graphics only. Here I select one. Other you select more than one, then graphic convert into features more than one. So the data frame use the same coordinate system as the data frame. Here I use a raster image. So this graphic use same coordinate as the layer source data. Here I can click this is output shapefile or feature class where you add this graphics. So click on here and choose your folder where you save this. So I creating a raster so shape in shapefile. So here I use converted graphics, and here you can use shapefile and then click on save done. And here you use automatically delete graphics after conversion. When you convert this graphics into a feature, automatically graphics will be deleted. So if you want this, you check on this. In my case, I click on this and then press OK. So here, do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? Uh, uh, if you want to add feature layer in this time to your document, you use yes, or using add after your work, so you can use no button. And I use I export, so I click yes. Here you now you check on uh, graphics convert into features. You can here see you can change the color which you want. I uh, want ultra blue for water. Okay, so here you see the color of feature class will be changed. Now you go to open attribute data tables. Now it, you can see is showing the polygon. Here you can use make new field where use text, the type is text, and name them water. So okay. Oh sorry, uh, delete. Now add field text, and here the name of field. So in my case I name this field class 6, and then okay. And here you can give them name. So for this, first edit feature, you right click on converted graphics and then click on edit features, and here you start editing, and then you go to open attribute table, and then here you can give the name water. After this you can stop editing and then save. Now you see that polygon shapefile and class is name water. After editing, make sure to save your changes and the map document. If you need to share your data with others, you can export your feature layer to various formats such as Shapefile or GeoDatabase. Each format has its pros and cons, so choose the best suit your needs. So for this, export data, go to data and export data, and here you can export your file with others. Here you can change the name, so click on save, then your data was always saved. And that's it. Now you know how to convert graphics into features in ArcMap. Practice these techniques and apply it to your own GIS project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.